Hi, I'm John with Lever360. We have our booth here at the Experience 2025 in Vegas. We also built this awesome restoration pavilion behind me. Lever360 is run your company software, CRM, job management, tasking, scheduling, vehicle maintenance, HR, time cards, it's everything. Everything you need to run your company. And we also have training. Over 1,700 digital courses, e-learning. We're also ISCRC school. Get your certification with us. What sets us apart from other people? You don't just buy our software, you buy us as a team. So check us out, lever360.com. We're here for you.